Chief of Army Staff General Upendra Dwivedi presented the coveted presidential flags to 4 battalions of mechanized infantry during a grand ceremony at the Mechanized Infantry Center and School, Ahilyanagar. The event held on November 27 recognized their exemplary and meritorious service to the nation. The presidential flags were presented to the 26th and 27th Battalions of the Mechanized Infantry Regiment and the 20th and 22nd Battalions of the Brigade of the Guards. A proud moment for the youngest battalions. A large number of veterans, military personnel and dignitaries attended the grand ceremony, recognizing the significance of the honor. The Army Chief inspected the color presentation parade and appreciated the impeccable standards displayed by the marching and mounted contingents of the 4 mechanized infantry battalions. On behalf of the President, he presented the coveted presidential flags to the battalions, recognizing their exemplary service and dedication to the nation. He congratulated all ranks, particularly the awarded battalions, and appreciated the professionalism of the mechanized infantry in both war and peace times. As the newest and most versatile fighting arms of the Indian Army, the mechanized infantry has the best blend of infantry and mechanized forces. Renowned for its valor and skill, its battalions have been deployed in all theaters and in UN peacekeeping operations. In his address, the Chief of Army Staff said that since its raising in 1979, the mechanized infantry arm has made its mark as a modern and professional force within the Indian Army. Displaying exceptional courage, discipline and operational efficiency in major operations such as Operation Pawan, Operation Vijay, Operation Rakshak and Operation Snow Leopard as well as in UN peacekeeping operations. Today, 4 battalions of the mechanized infantry are being awarded the President's flag for their exemplary service and numerous achievements, including their contribution in both war and peace operations.